Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name's Claire. I hope you're all keeping well. I am planning on doing a premiere video towards the end of the week where I'll be uploading a get ready with me style video, and I'll be chatting about what I've been up to, how I'm coping with isolation in the UK, and also I thought it'd be nice to have a bit of a chat going on at the same time. So I'll be down in the comments and chatting with you. So hopefully that'll go up on Sunday night. But anyway, back to this video, and I have got my second unboxing for April, and it is Glossybox. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just tell you everything there is to know about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this box, I'll let a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So this is Glossybox UK. It's a monthly beauty subscription box, and it costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. You can cancel any time if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. I have a discount code to entitle you to have your first box for £8, but I have noticed on their website that they're actually got a code on there at the moment, so you're able to get this box for £7, so obviously that one's better. So all details and links and codes and everything, I'll pop it down below in description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring it up and everything will be listed down there. So inside the box you will receive 5 beauty products, and there's a good mix of skincare, makeup, hair care, nail care and makeup tools as well. The reason you're seeing this early is because it's a PR box. We normally get our glossy boxes around the 7th of the month. That's when they start That's when they start shipping them out. I'm fortunate enough to be on Glossybox's PR list, so they do send them out early to me and others as well, so we can show you and tell you all about it. I'm still on a subscription with them, and I've taken out a 12-month subscription a couple of months ago. So instead of paying £13.25 a month, I pay £11.25 a month. So with those boxes, I like to keep them and gift them to my friends or family, or I put them up for giveaways to give something back to you lot, either on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, the same name. I get sent a press release, so sometimes I have a look at it. It all depends. I might get my box before I have the press release, but I have seen the press release for this one, and I am really excited to unbox it. It's worth over £100, but the items that you'll see in my box, there might be 1 or 2 differences in your box. Glossybox bring out different variations. Unfortunately, on the press release, they don't have exactly what other options there are, so I can't tell you. If you're subscribing for the first time and you're wondering why you haven't got a box exactly like mine, it could be that you've got like variation 2 or variation 3, so 1 or 2 of the items might change. But I do know the main product inside the box, which is worth £90 odd, I think it is, then every single person would be receiving that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I could go on and on and on and on, which I know would bore the pants off you. So let's get on to unboxing this and showing you what we've got inside. So the theme for this month is Blossom. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Really pretty. So in here tells you everything about the products inside this box, plus it gives you a price as well, so I'm able to tot it up and tell you at the end. But also they have a sneak peek for next month. So next month is May, and what's it say here? We have got a gorgeous newly launched eyeshadow palette from Steve Laurent. It boasts 9 stunning hues in mattes and shimmery finishes that can be used to create an array of feisty eye looks. So we're getting a makeup palette, a newly launched one. So that's what it looks like there. So let's open it up. I love all the colours, sort of like pinks and white. So I'll show you first. So I'll pick an item up, show you and refer back to the card. So the first item is a product by Rituals. This is the Ritual of Sakura, celebrate each day as a new beginning. And this is a softening rice scrub. And it's organic rice milk and cherry blossoms. You've got 70 mils there. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. I've got a bit of a collection going on. I absolutely love it, and I've got a lot from this range, but I've never ever tried this. Never tried it. I haven't tried any of the scrubs, so really excited to give that a go. This smell is stunning. Oh, I love it. I can't put the lid back on. Oh, bubbles. I can't put the lid back on. Right, yeah, you can feel the scrub there. Oh, So nice, so nice. So this is a deluxe mini and it's worth £4.60. To buy the full size 150ml, it will cost you £9.90. It's a 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub to treat your senses. It blends volcanic scrub particles with nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. Oh, I'm really happy with that. I absolutely love this range. So yeah, so that's the first item. Next we've got the product that was the sneak peek from last month, and this is the Avant cream, and this is the one that's worth like £90 odd. This is a Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant, and it's got 50ml there. I have had a few Avant products in the past. I think hands down my favourite of the range is their sleeping mask or a moisturising night cream. I haven't got any left now, and I did have a few and I loved them, absolutely loved them, but £100, it's £100. That's quite pricey, isn't it? As much as I love it, but this is the size you get. I don't think they're bigger than 50ml. So it just says here, gently massage a small amount into the skin after cleansing, then rinse the skin thoroughly with lukewarm water. So we got a scrub for the body and a scrub for the face. Yes, gentle. It's nice, it is nice. I'm confused now with the smell of the Rituals and the Avant cream. So this is a full-size product and it is £92. It says it harnesses the many benefits of hydrating and antioxidant-rich rose extract, as well as softening and smoothing vitamin B5. Together, these ingredients calm irritations, improve the appearance of wrinkles, and deeply hydrate your complexion. Gently massage your exfoliant into clean skin using circular motions, and then rinse with warm water. So yeah, so that's the star product of this month's box, I think. So there's that. Next we got a product by Sport Effects, and this is Raspberry and Rhubarb Recovery Lip Balm, and it's SPF 15. It looks like there. Ooh. I've had a lip balm from this brand before. I loved it so much that I actually bought one for my eldest son. He suffers dreadfully from cracked lips, dry cracked lips, to the point where sometimes he wakes up in the morning and he's got blood on the pillow, which is awful, isn't it? I haven't tried this particular one, but a lip balm, it looks exactly the same as this from Sport FX from their website, and I believe it's about £5-6. And yeah, he loves it. I love that dome sort of shape because you just go like that. Ooh. And then your lips are done. It's just nice. It is really nice. I can't try it because I've got lipstick on. Smell is gorgeous. It is not strong, it's subtle. So no, I'm quite happy to have another one of these because it was about 2 years maybe that I had one. So you will get one of two in your box. There's this one, which is the Raspberry and Rhubarb, which is a recovery lip balm, or you'll get a coconut moisturising lip balm at the top there. So you get one of those in your box. The recommended retail price for this lip balm is £4.99. And it just says these lip balms are not only bursting with shea butter, natural oils and vitamins, but they are infused with SPF 15 to protect, hydrate and nourish your pout. And then it goes on to telling you that there's two available. So that's that. Next I got a nail polish by Nails Inc. And this is in shade Blossom Kisses. And this has come at a perfect time, absolute perfect time. I'm really embarrassed to show you. Oh, they are awful. They are awful. I'm on lockdown. I had a nail appointment this week. I've had them on, well, not these. I have still got tips though. I can't get them off because I haven't got the actual tools to get them off. But they started, you know, flipping up. So I've been trying to file them down as much as I can. So I've still got a few little tips there. Can you see that one? As always, when I wear gels, you know, when they start coming off and I don't have a new set applied, they just come off, and they come off right down low as well. So I tried putting red nail varnish on, thinking, right, that'll disguise the lumps. No, it looked awful, absolutely awful. So I've stripped it back, tried to get the redness out of the corners, which is flipping hard. But yeah, I've just got like a protein sort of varnish on there and a nice sort of like base top coat. So I'm just going to leave it for now. But a nice new polish that's not too bright is perfect, and I really like this colour. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. To buy this, which is full size, it'll cost you £11. Welcome in the spring with this soft pink nail polish. A delicate pastel hue with cool undertones. It says here, its formula lasts up to 10 days and its wide brush makes it really easy to achieve a professional looking manicure. Apply your base coat, then 2 coats of your Blossom Kisses and finish with a top coat. So yeah, I might do that later on actually. honestly. So you got nail polish. And lastly, we got a face mask, and this is by Sanctuary Spa, and it's I think it's a face mask, yeah. Nourishing Rose Petal Hydrogel Mask, and it's for all skin types, and it just says apply and leave on for 15 minutes. Woo, there. It says a powerful skin quenching hydrogel infusion of delicate rose petals and natural extracts containing a complex array of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. This instantly skin soothing mask will help boost moisture levels, reduce redness and help skin recover from exposure to pollution and daily aggressors, revealing beautiful, smooth, soft and comforted skin. To buy this mask, it'll cost you £7.50, and then it just goes into telling you exactly what I read on the back there, but it just says apply for 15 minutes, then remove, then massage any remaining serum into your skin and admire your soft, smooth and comforted complexion. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up. So these are all the products inside Glossybox's April box. There's 5 in all. The box costs £10 and £3.25 postage and packaging, and the value comes to a whopping £130. So yeah, this cream is £92, but the rest of it comes to around £40. So definitely worth the money this month, but it all depends if the products suit you, doesn't it, really? I am excited by it. I am really impressed with it. I love rituals. I am so excited to have that. Haven't tried this product before. Haven't tried this Avent product before as well. Love this lip balm. Tried it before. Really liked it. Nail polish, perfect timing. Perfect timing. Face masks are okay. I hope it hasn't got a really strong rose smell, but then it's like it's on my skin for 15 minutes and that is it. It's not like a perfume or anything, but yeah, but it sounds nice. It does sound nice. So all in all, I am happy, but I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you excited to receive it, or are you watching this thinking, is this a subscription for me or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.